Hi, my name is Peter and my lab studies system neuroscience here at the Department of Neuroscience at University of Copenhagen.
Our goal is to understand the circuit mechanisms involved in memory and cognition and how imbalances in these circuits can lead to pathological conditions. In particular, we study spatial memory and theta oscillations in behaving rodents. We use NeuroPixel probes that allows us to record from hundreds of neurons simultaneously, and we combine it with video recordings and machine learning methods to carefully characterize their behavior. Martinez and Schuhan will tell you a little more about the ongoing projects.
I researched the function and the biophysical mechanism of the hippocampal theta rhythm generation by the medial septum. By simultaneously recording and stimulating neurons in the medial septum and the hippocampus, we can detect, characterize and causally link theta waves in both structures. But ultimately the goal is to see if we can use the activity of medial septum neurons to predict the activity in the hippocampus and also the locomotion behavior of animals navigating the maze.
My study focuses on understanding how theta oscillations are generated and their involvement in spatial memory.
I am working towards building a populational level description of theta oscillations recorded with extracellular high-density electrodes. To achieve this, I am exploring various dimensionality reduction methods, including principal component analysis.
Let's do a quick tour of the lab. So in here you have our surgical setup. This is where we do probe implantation, virus injections, and our implant other types of manipulation devices. We mostly work with the chronically implanted animals because it allows us to record from the circuits as the animal is doing various tasks. And of course being awake. This is one of our behavioral setups. As you can see, the room is brand new, but we plan to have various mazes here so we can test the animal's memory as they're doing a task.
This is one of our behavioral mazes, called a linear track, where the animal can perform tasks while we record from them. Above the track, you can see our 3D tracking system, allowing us to record the animal in 3D using reflective markers. That said, we hope you will consider joining our lab or visiting us to learn more. You can learn more about our lab at petersonlab.org or at our department website at in.ku.dk.